gym which has elevator. Shake, 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 shake. Keep.
Put likes if you are. Come on. Next.
وأعتدنا للظالمين عذابا أليما.
I wanna try chocolate. Yeah, thank you. Wow. Hi my beautiful girls, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is the 49th National Day of UAE. I was thinking a lot. Which gym put as a third my favorite gym in Dubai 2020 on my opinion. I checked almost I went to each gym couple times just to understand what exactly will be the best for me, to enjoy my workout, to have a good vibes from it, to have my healthy snacks and meals after my workout, just to have fun. This gym, you ready? 7 official gym in Dubai. For girls, the best. Today we have workout with Celine. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go. It's hot. About prices. I will add prices. Even dumbbells has their own logo on it. About Ladies' Day or any benefits, there is no anymore. If you are a social person, you have good Instagram or maybe YouTube channel, then you can subscribe this Secret Society site, link Instagram here. And if you will be lucky, you will have a chance to register for some of classes from 7 official gyms. Okay, today we're gonna train upper body and abs. Yes. 1 hour for upper body. I believe it's gonna be superset, but let's see.
Yeah. It will be. Hi girls, how are you?
Is there special massage room? They have trial massage barbershop for the guys.
Special gym which has elevator. Music finished, but shake, 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 shake. Keep shake, shake.
Oh wow. CrossFit area. And the best fitting room for the princess. I'm not going to continue to film here because here can be private. See what can be in any gym for the girls. Self-care, skincare, everything. They have literally everything and very, very good brands. Vichy. If you need any time to have, it's crazy, girls. Girls, you know, guys, no need to know. And plus, full hair care. Elastic?
Elastic. Yeah.
Baby, here is elastic. Here, look. They have everything in this gym. I'm telling you, everything.
Perfect. Thank you.
I like your wedding. Nice one. Luxury and perfect fitting for the girls. It's true. Okay, we're gonna start stretching. Today, my program. Finally, I'm choosing my program. So today we're gonna do shoulders and back all in supersets very fast, and later Celine gonna show me abs workout. I'm literally jealous of her abs. I'm like, come on, seriously? It can be? Is it real? You put in water in a glass, front side. Water in a glass. Elbows straight side. Supersets you can do very fast. Never straight. Oh my god, I cannot even pull it. Don't straight your elbows fully up. Keep it bending always. Little bit bend position. Take it off. Rope directly going to your eyes. It's really important. So like this is related to your trapeze and it's not growing. It's going exactly to your back and shoulders. Okay, my turn. Like this. Oh my god. You can do? I will not do any. Touch the floor with your back. Not too much. Not too much. Guys, coming to 7 official gym not to do workout, to do, how it's called, guys?
Nobody knows.
Challenge.
Challenge.
Battle challenge.
Okay.
If you stand, you do 20 push-ups.
You want to try? What's the score?
This one
Yes.
for YouTube. This one, best 3 gyms in Dubai. Yeah, review.
100 dirham per hour.
Oh.
It's close. Ready?
Yeah.
This is gonna work, yeah?
Getting serious.
Getting serious. One serious. Two.
I need to see if I cannot stand.
Don't put somebody in the face. No, you can try, but they'll take us out of the gym. It's a competition. We're joining. You guys want to join? No, it has to happen.
Hi.
This guy is good for YouTube. Look at him, beautiful guy. Handsome.
Yeah, amazing. What is your name?
All the girls will like
Ahmed. Where are you from, Ahmed?
Lebanon.
Lebanon.
From 7 gym.
I remember I was coming here every day for girls class. Girls, it was twerk, it was hip hop, it was R&B. That girls was amazing. If you sit here for long, you're gonna go for second ice cream. Thank you. For sure. It's good that it's low calories one, and today is Friday. Cheat day, no problem. 2 of them, no problem. Plus 3 protein balls. Big cheat. Taking all sweets what they have. I'm taking everything from here. Sugar free, for sure.
100% sugar free.
Is there milk inside?
No milk also.
Can I have chocolate one? What is?
This one is cranberry, it has raspberry inside.
I want a chocolate.
Okay, the chocolate. Well, this is the top.
And I want this one. Vegan triple chocolate. It's amazing, yeah? Okay, guys. My cookies. Yeah, give me a takeaway, yeah? Everything for me?
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you. And for all these cookies, just let me check first and I will tell you what I took. For all these cookies, I paid only 40 dirhams. Celine, she is an amazing personal trainer. When we finished our abs workout, we did some posing class, a little bit. And later, I decided to go to visit box class. You want to see? Hi!
1, 2, 1, 2. Continue. When I count 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So every count. Ready?
Let's go, ready. Amazing design, the lights, green, black colors, yellow one of the best. Okay, we finished our workout. Usually I cannot talk too much after heavy gym session. So now I'm just giving back my card, taking my ID. That's why I'm trying to finish my videos exactly in some quiet place when I feel myself already rested.
I'll be here.
Thank you. Subscribe, make like, put some comments. Maybe you have any questions. And I see you in next videos. Happy holidays!
وعادا وثمود وأصحاب الرس وقرونا بين ذلك كثيرا